Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a default address on your Amazon account. So once you're inside Amazon, guys, you want to ensure that you sign in. Then on the upper right hand side, you will see welcome your name. And if you hover over that, you will have a drop down. Go ahead and click an account. Now, once the account section loads up, you have a ton of things that you can do here. From this section, you want to look for your address and click on that. So you'll find all of your addresses and you want to find the address that you want to set as default. So let's say I want to set this address here as my default. I can simply click and set as default. And that's going to be the primary address that will be used each time I'm about to make a purchase. At any point in time, you can always switch the addresses to use whatever you want, or on a checkout page you can choose a different address, but this is going to be the one that's going to be set there by default. But you can always change it at a later time, or any point during your checkout you can always go ahead and switch to that section where you have the delivery section, or you can come here, follow these steps and switch to a different default one. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.